Alright, I guess we're going on a driving adventure. Oh, jeez. Wait, what does that mean? We're at the university! Hey guys, guess where I'm at? University of Hawaii. I'm here to do a talk for a bunch of engineering students. You know what's really cool though? Everyone here rides a scooter. I sort of wish I went to school in like a tropical place, just so that I can say I rode a scooter around on campus. Alright, I'm totally lost. Okay.
Go until you can't go.
Yeah.
Turn right, go until you can't go, turn left.
Gotcha, thank you so much. Okay, so I know I keep saying this. I've never seen a tree like that. Okay, but seriously though, I'm really lost. We're looking for the engineering building complex. There's chemistry. It's gotta be like a techie looking building, right? But that one kind of looks artsy. What kind of engineering building has bamboo? It's definitely an arts building. Definitely arts. They're all painting. Oh crap. Okay. I'm officially lost. 10 minutes to conference. We gotta figure this out. Hi, sorry to bother you. I'm looking for the engineering building. That way?
Like yours. I can like take you. I'm heading that way.
Yeah, that'd be great. Sorry to bother you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Would you like to say hi to the camera?
Hi.
Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, but does every engineering complex at every university look like like a jail cell? Is that a common occurrence? Every university I've ever been to, it literally looks like a jail cell. What a weird world. I hate stairs. More and more stairs. Why isn't there an elevator? Come on. I see the light. Oh, just kidding, there's more stairs. Oh, more. I see the light again. Come on. More. Come on. I see the light at the end of the tunnel. Come on. Come on. Okay. I made it. Whoa. Take a look at this. Oh. Wow. Wow. That is gorgeous. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. But look at how the houses, they're built on top of the hill and the mountain over there. Oh god, I'm nervous. Whew. First talk done. What the? Oh shit. There's an elevator. What the? First floor? Honestly, this is probably one of the coolest places to go to school. You get to hang out outside, you get to see a lot of people just studying out in the wind. I'm still blown away by these trees. Like, what kind of place has trees like that? Oh, it's a scorcher out. Good thing I have my lucky hat. Wow. I don't know where I'm going, but this is super cool. Wow. All right, guys, I think I found the coolest thing. It's Kamehameha. That's so sick. I'm on Kamehameha Avenue. That's so cool. That's so cool. Oh, we're gonna run before we get caught. Ooh. These beautiful yellow flowers in the trees.
So Ken just had a Canadian moment. You want to tell him about it?
Yeah, my GPS was like, oh, next light there, turn left. And I was like, you got it, bud. The most Canadian thing I've ever said on this trip.
Problem there, you dang hoser.
Yeah, no problem there, bud. I got you, bud. Don't worry about it, bud.
This fucking guy did.
All right, where are we going today? We are going to eat udon at one of the most highly rated places here in Waikiki. And I'm driving right now. Look at this. Tactical, the Nissan Rogue. I'm just hungry. I'm hungry.
Yeah, we don't even know we're just getting food.
Yeah, look at this thing though. This is crazy. Look at that building. Like, dang.
Wow.
But anyways, udon, okay? Or like I like to call it back in Canada, udang. Okay, you know what? Turn it off. It's fine. I don't want to.
Look at the bikeception.
He's parking a bike with another bike.
Oh my God.
All right, we are at our destination. Look at that. Oh, I love that. That is so cool.
Oh,
great. Thank you.
Wow.
And marinated chicken? Yeah.
Yeah, that
was bomb. Alright, go for it. First things first, we gotta mix up this udon to make it an udam. Oh. Ooh. Look. Oh. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Alright. I'm gonna have one noodle first. Slurping it up. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Oh, the long ass noodle.
They're down.
Alright team, I had to switch seats because it's too sunny over there. Croquette time. Mmm. That was good. Mmm. Some chili flakes in this bad boy. Hey, let me do this. Shrimp tempura. Oh, it'll focus. There we go. And this sauce is hot, like temperature hot. I've never had hot tempura, like it's hot, not even warm. Oh. Double dipping because I can. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Let me show the camera some of this action right here. Oh. Look at that. Thick cut noodles. All right. Oh, thank you. Oh yeah. This is what I needed.
Smells good.
All day. Bubble tea.
Yeah.
Like lunchtime, all office people come down. Just going down for a quick drink.
Step one.
Weekends. Okay. Is your place?
Don't worry. I'm a pro. Insert.
Thank you very much.
And then enjoy. Thanks, guys. Oh, yeah. That has a spot. That hits a spot. Yo, pina colada. Bye bye. Check what these guys gave me. You think I'm not hip enough? Check this out. Check this out. Send this guy to the stratosphere. Oh, look at it, kid.
See that Ken just stole from a child?
Okay, hold on. I can go higher. I can go higher. Yeah, you can see like all the people just staying on their balconies.
Yeah, by the windows and stuff.
Yeah.
The balconies and stuff.
Yeah.
That's huge, dude.
It's the size of my head. Seeing these kids out here playing with their little helicopter things. Little did they know, I'm ex-helicopter champion. 95. Okay, I just carbonated myself, but watch this.
Damn! Holy shit, dude.
You thought that was it? Let me show you my ultimate true form. Well, let me show the kids how it's done. All right, kids, don't try this at home. Unless you're me and you're God.
Dude, holy shit!
That was hot. Yeah, good one.
That was crazy.
Okay, we're back in the car. I'm damaged goods. He's bleeding out. I'm bleeding. We might. Oh, this one's okay. We might have to cut it off. We definitely have to blur that in post.
Get the tourniquet out.
Oh,
We're gonna
geez.
amputate.
Oh no. All right. So our hotel is currently something's happening in our hotel. Fire trucks, ambulance. Oh jeez.
Sorry.
My knees. All right. This ain't even my final form yet.
You squeezed it like an orange on there.
You know what the funny part was too? I touched myself and I was like, why is it so sticky?